welcome back. So today's video is going to be so exciting, and that is for two reasons. One being that it involves my favorite holiday, which is Halloween, and for two, it also involves my daughter, which is like my favorite person in the world, of course. So today we are doing a Mommy and Me Halloween themed night, and you guys, we are doing so many fun things. So I'm going to jump in and show you what we got and what we have planned for the night before I start, you know, throwing in the clips and everything like that. Going to start with is we are going to get into the Halloween spirit, and by that we are going to put on our Halloween PJs. Me and my daughter have these matching skeleton Halloween pajamas. This one is hers that she's getting ready to put on. You guys, they are so cute, but they look like this. And we got these from Walmart. And after I get her in her pajamas and we are all matchy and cute, we are going to go ahead and throw some pumpkin cookies in the oven because, I mean, why not have a snack while you get to do fun things? And we're getting festive and, you know, 'tis the season. I know most people say 'tis the season about Christmas, but you guys, I say it every fall, every Halloween, 'tis the season because it is my season. So I'm extra excited about these. These are always good. I love the Christmas ones, the Halloween one. Like every holiday they do these little sugar cookies. I absolutely love them. So these are already a go. And we also picked up these two little cookie kits here where you get to decorate cookies. They got some different ones in them. These are just pumpkins. These have like a mix of literally everything. So we're probably going to do a little bit of both, decorate our little cookies. And to go with decorating the cookies, I also got some pink icing and some black icing and some like little decorating tips so we could write and decorate and do what we gotta do. Mostly me because my daughter's probably going to just lick the icing off as I'm putting it on, but it's all good. We also have white icing too in the cabinet, but it's okay. At least you know we have it. So before we get to decorating our cookies, I'm going to let my daughter paint this little haunted house here. I have some black acrylic paint. I'm gonna just let her, you know, do her little artwork on it. And I'm not too sure what we're going to drink yet for our little Halloween night. She might just have her juice and I have my soda, to be honest. But we have these cute festive Halloween straws here, which, I mean, they're just cute anyways. So we're definitely going to be drinking our drinks with this tonight. And one of the best things about this Mommy and Me Halloween themed night is the fact that we are going to have some Halloween movies playing in the background. So we're going to start off with one of the best ones, which is Halloween Town. You guys, I watch Halloween Town and Hocus Pocus every year. I don't really like Hocus Pocus 2 as much as the original because I grew up watching the original, so it's just like automatically, I'm just biased. It's automatically my favorite. But we are going to start with Halloween Town and have all of the festivities going on, you guys. I am so excited. So without me keep rambling on, let's go ahead and go get my daughter dressed and get started on our Halloween themed Mommy and Me night. I hope you guys are ready. But I also have these sprinkles here just to add on to our cookies as we decorate them, just to add a little more razzle dazzle. Skeletons.